Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in this video today I will do for you this look I'm wearing, which is a beautiful soft glam look, flawless glam soft look, which has undertone colors warm and purple. This is a very easy for you, suitable for you, nice, quick look and with colors that almost all the people can wear. So if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into it. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Maybelline Express Brow in the shade Medium Brown Ultra Slim Pencil, which is this very thin pencil, which helps me to define my brows very precisely and easily, and so the other side is fully. And then I have sculpted them up with my Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 220 on the underbrow area, and with my Moon Ribbed All Day Wear Foundation, I have sculpted my brows on the upper brow area, because the right way is to sculpt our brows on the upper brow area with the same foundation, so we cannot have differences in the whole look. And now I'm ready to prepare my lid. I'm going to use my Fit Me Maybelline 20 and my Beauty Wet Blender to prepare my lid before my shadow. My lids are ready, and now I'm going to wear my shadows. In this look, I will use the classic Nude of New York by Maybelline palette, and this is it, which has very nice brown nude colors, warm tone colors, because in this look I will do for you a flawless, soft matte, soft glam look. So, taking this fluffy big brush, and at the beginning I will use my Solo It, which is this, a very nice nude color, to apply it on the whole eye. Beautiful. Then I will take the Creator, which is this, which is a very nice warm peach brown color, and my eyebrow 104, and I will apply it on the crease. Beautiful colors, warm tone colors that you can wear. This palette is one of my favorites. I can wear this palette for morning, evening, noon, holidays. I can use that palette in every look I do. Really, I can use it. Then I'm taking my Explorer, which is a soft brown, more dark than the other, and this flat brush, and I will take that to do the outer corner of the eye. I really love this color, and turn it up, of course. Any dark shadow I use, I turn it up from the outer corner on the inner corner on the crease, of course. And a little I pull it up under the brow bone. And of course, on the inner lid, I will use the Dreamer, which is this, a very nice shimmery nude pink color, and my Cosmo Fan number 110 brush. Beautiful warm tone colors, very beautiful colors. I put it in the middle of the lid. Love these colors. And of course, on the inner lid, I will use this very flat brush and long, and I will take the Originator, which is this color. I will use it from the inner corner of the lid. I will do for you today a soft glam look, but this look you can wear it from morning till evening. It is very, very beautiful, easy to do it, nice. And I can say that the most of us can wear that color. Of course, I will use by Infallible palette this highlighter, which is a light nude highlighter from the underbrow area. We have told that when we do a one tone look, we use all the colors on our face on one tone, and highlighters and bronzers and blushes. If we do a cool tone color makeup, we use all the other products in cool tone colors. So this is a one tone, we use a one tone highlighter. Just a few coffee while I work, I need it. Going to continue with my other eye and coming back. Of course, continue with my black liner by Maybelline New York Hyper Precise All Day Matte, because on this look we need to wear a liner. My eyeliner, my eyes are ready, and now I'm going to continue to wear my lashes. In this case, I will wear, first I'm gonna use my lash curler and I will do my lashes, and I will wear my Vortex mascara before the false lashes. You can leave it as it is without false lashes if you want. I will use my Vortex Astonishing Lashes Mascara by Mon Rib. Want to coat, no, don't need much, because I have told you that when I wear false lashes, I don't apply mascara after. I apply mascara before and then I wear false lashes, so I can use it many times more. I will not ruin them with that way. So I do my last mascara before, 2-3 coats, and then I will leave the lashes as they are. Going to wear my lash off camera and coming back, my friends. My lashes are ready, and now I'm going to wear my Pro Base Oil Free Primer MUA Makeup Academy. Very hydrating and moisturizing this primer. Always use the primer before the foundation. It is the base, so we can apply our foundation much better. Don't avoid and don't forget that step. And of course, I'm going to continue with my Fit Me Matte and Poreless 105 Natural Eyeliner and my True Skin 030 in Ultra Sand. I will use both, as you have seen, both foundations. I like to mix the foundation, so I take my Cosmo Fan number 104 brush, foundation brush. I will apply product on the brush. This is going to finish, I have to say. I think it is finished. No matter. We'll continue with the True Skin and some of the Usas complete cover. The True Skin is medium covered, the Usas is full covered. I really need to mix textures. Continuing with my Fit Me Maybelline the Shade 20 concealer. Apply it on the inner corner and on the outer corner. You don't need much of that. Some dots on the nose and between the brows, of course. A quantity on the mustache area and some product on the chin. And 2 mild lines. Of course, with a beauty blender, applying all the quantity. You can also apply with a brush, but I really prefer especially for the underbrow area, the soft wet beauty blender, so we cannot cause wrinkles, because when we use this, we take a concealer brush and pull up, inside out, this under eye area, we can cause really wrinkles. So I prefer the wet beauty blender, which is very, very soft, and to tell you the truth, it is applying the product more nicely than we can use a brush. Taking Monrive Brown Skin Tan Defense Cream. This is by Monrive, a very nice liquid product. Liquid bronzer, and taking, of course, my beauty blender. And applying the whole product, and on the chin and down on the neck area. I really love this bronze color, nice medium tan color, nice color, soft brown. Monrive Stellar Liquid Highlighter 01, which I'm gonna apply with my middle finger just on the top of the cheeks. Very nice champagne color. Beautiful color. I don't apply that product with a beauty blender because I want to apply less of that, so the beauty blender sometimes takes off the product, absorb the product on this. So I want to apply it with my fingers better. What else? We start eyebrow loose powder. Set up the under eye area. The first movement before the liquid product is to set up the under the eye area. I'll do some bake with that, and on the chin area. I leave the product up to 3 minutes, not more. Let's have some coffee. So, ending up the under eye area. The 2-3 minutes we leave for the bake, using all the shadows we used above the eye on the under eye. Taking the most dark shadow, apply it on the outer part, on the bottom eye, and then I will take the big flat brush and the two crease shadows to smudge all the dark shadow. On the inner corner, of course, we use the two shimmery shadows. I really love this palette. When I go to travel to other places, I have this palette. It's a passepartout. I can use that palette everywhere. It is very beautiful, I have to say, and for you, my friend. And of course, inside the waterline, we need a black liner. In this case, you can use also a brown, but I prefer the black. Taking all the excess powder, you don't have and you don't need to leave it much time than this. 2 minutes I have done, I think. It's enough. Of course, taking my Vortex mascara and applying one coat on the bottom lash. And continue with my new Kylie Girl powder, which is a double powder, as you see it is a light color and a most yellow color. And this is where is two colors, and on this point you have a mirror. I will take the first. It is from the birthday edition Kylie Girl 2-color powder cake, and I will take, of course, my brush powder and tap it up. Very nice smell. On to set up the whole look before I continue with the other product. And I will use the most yellow because I have yellow undertone color. I am on the warm skin color, yellow undertone color of the people. Taking MUA Bronze Perfection blusher, Scanlon blush, a very nice peach color with highlighter on the cheek. And of course, my infallible highlighter on the upper cheek. And on the nose, between the brows, on the temples. Beautiful this color, warm, light champagne gold color. Of course, taking my beauty blender to connect the whole product together so we can have a smooth result. And what else? Ending up with my lips. In this case, I will use lip liner and eyeliner by Sandy Beauty, purple color. Beautiful color. You can use also a nude color, of course. And my cyan lipstick in the shade Berry Passion 12, dark purple color. And of course the last step, makeup, Fiore Vita fixing spray. This product is important as primer, and this is it, so we can help our makeup last during many hours in the day, of course. Taking off this from my hair because I need it when I do my makeup. My friends, this is my complete finished look for you. This is my recommendation for you for today. So if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!